Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from YellowBook step by step. Let's jump in. Go to the official YellowBook homepage. Scroll all the way down the page and click the People Search link, found under Search Tools. You will be redirected to the People Search page of YellowBook. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Remove My Info next to the disclaimer. You will be redirected to a Being Verified webpage. That is okay. Being Verified processes opt-outs for YellowBook. Enter your first name and last name in the spaces provided, and select the state where you live from the drop-down. Then click the Search button. Next, find your profile from the results provided, and then click the Proceed to Opt-out button. Enter your email address in the request form, complete the security CAPTCHA, and then click the Send Verification Email button. An on-screen notification will appear to confirm your opt-out request has been received. You will receive an email to verify the removal of your personal information. Check your email inbox for the verification email. Open the email message and click the Verify Opt-out button. An on-screen notification will appear confirming your opt-out request from YellowBook. You will receive another email indicating your personal information will be removed from YellowBook in about 24 hours. Congratulations on opting out of YellowBook. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free, or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.